Hi guys, this is Kene Ezigwe from Miss Bouget's Period 3 class. I would like to apologize in advance of any beeps or grunts of pain or whatever that you might hear in the course of this recording, because I'm in the hospital right now. So yes, so I'm going to be interpreting this graph right here. Alright, the plot above shows the velocity versus clock reading of a body. Label the axis accordingly, then label the following regions of the graph. Alright, A. When is the body traveling in a positive direction? Label those segments positive velocity. So this is the velocity versus time. So the velocity is the y and time is x. Positive, when it's in the positive direction, that means the velocity is positive. So where in the graph that you see, so from 0 from above, that would be excuse me, so that would be from 0 and above. That would be where there's a positive velocity. So this region right here, that was where you're going to put the positive velocity. B. When is the body traveling in the negative direction? Label those segments negative velocity. So likewise, negative would be 0 and down. So this area right here, that would be the negative velocity. When is the body at rest? That's when velocity is equal to 0. So it's right here at C and at F to G. D, sorry. When is the body undergoing positive acceleration? So since acceleration is velocity over time, and this is a velocity versus time graph, the acceleration would have to be the slope of the graph. So this is when the body is going a positive acceleration, is when the slope of the graph is positive, and this is from this region right here, from E to F. When is the body undergoing negative acceleration? Likewise, this would when acceleration, which is the velocity over time, is negative, where the slope is negative. So it's from this region from B down to D. That's when it's undergoing negative acceleration. When is the body undergoing zero acceleration? This happens when acceleration is constant. So the slope here is a zero slope, and right here, so from A to B and from D to E, it's a zero acceleration. When is the body speeding up? This kind of got me confused at the beginning, but when you think about it, it kind of makes sense. Since at this point, the graph, the body changes its direction. So at this point in time, it's going in the negative direction. And since, if you remember, this also implies it's a negative acceleration. So since this is in the negative direction and the acceleration is also negative, it implies that it's speeding up in the negative direction. Hope that makes sense. When is the body slowing down? So, and since this is the part where it's speeding up, this part where velocity goes to 0, so velocity starts all the way up here and just goes down to 0, the body will be slowing down. I guess that's it, and I hope I helped you understand this better, help you prepare for the final exam. Sorry for the beeps again. Okay, thank you for listening and watching. Bye.